Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine away from the epidemic. Hope you all are maintaining distance, using mask and sanitizer according to your need. Be safe so that we can do get together soon. Now I will like to explain you some current affairs which you have to study for this class test 1. Okay, now see the first question. Who is the Prime Minister of India? And Mr. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India, and he is from which state? You know, he is from Gujarat, and he is known as the world's most popular leader. As the world most popular leader right now he is known as. Now I will show you the picture of Mr. Narendra Modi. See, this is the picture of Mr. Narendra Modi. Now next question comes. Who is the President of India? And who is the President of India, my dear? Mr. Ram Nath Kovind. Earlier he has worked as the Governor of Bihar also, Mr. Ram Nath Kovind. I will show you the picture of Mr. Ram Nath Kovind. This is the picture of Mr. Ram Nath Kovind. Now next question is, who is the Chief Minister of Bihar? And I think all of you know who is the Chief Minister of Bihar, Mr. Nitish Kumar. Because since you have taken birth, you have seen Mr. Nitish Kumar as the Chief Minister of Bihar. That's why I think all of you know. Now I am showing you the picture of Mr. Nitish Kumar, and he is the 22nd Chief Minister of Bihar. He is the 22nd Chief Minister of Bihar. Now see, who is the Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar? And my dear, this is the first time that Bihar is having two Deputy Chief Ministers. One is Mr. Tarkishore Prasad and the another is Mrs. Renu Devi. And this is the first time that Bihar is having a female Deputy Chief Minister. Female Chief Minister Bihar was having earlier, Mrs. Rabri Devi. But this is the first time that a female Chief Minister Bihar has got, and she is Mrs. Renu Devi. I am showing you the picture. See this picture. This picture is of Mr. Tarkishore Prasad, the Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar. And I will show you the picture of Mrs. Renu Devi. See, this is the picture of Mrs. Renu Devi and the first Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar. Now we will go to next question. Who is the Governor of Bihar? And Mr. Fagu Chauhan is the Governor of Bihar. See, this is the picture of Mr. Fagu Chauhan. Which bank has launched women scheme, Atmanirbhar Women Scheme, as part of its Baroda Gold Loan? And that is Bank of Baroda. It is a scheme under which we have to give gold to the bank, and in that place they give us loan. And this is the logo of Bank of Baroda. Who has launched Khud Kamao Ghar Chalao scheme? And this is actor Mr. Sonu Sood. In this epidemic period when migrant labor was returning to their hometown, and they were very in too much. They were panicked because their service was lost, and they were coming back to home. They were having nothing. They were having problem in coming also. That time Sonu Sood helped almost all the migrant labor. Means he was working as the frontline warrior that time, and as much he can, he helped them. And that time only he gave some tractors, some auto rickshaw to the migrant laborers, so that they can earn their livelihood. And this scheme was only known as खुद कमाओ घर चलाओ scheme. See the picture of the actor Mr. Sonu Sood. Now next is, which lake on earth has pink water? And the answer is Lonar Lake, and it is in Maharashtra. My dear, it was having the normal watercolor water earlier, but what happened? Some changes were there from inside the ground, or some minerals or something was from inside the ground, and slowly the water changed into pink color. See the previous color of the water and the recent color of the water. That's why it is known that pink water lake. Now name the girl who can lift 80 kg weight at the age of 7 years. And the name is Rory Vaughan. And from which country she is? Rory Vaughan from Canada. At the age of 7 years, my dear, hardly a child is having 25 to 20 to 30 kg weight. 25 to 30 kg weight. But she can lift, see, 4 times more weight than her. She can lift 80 kg weight. And what is her name? Her name is Rory Vaughan, and she is from Canada. Who is the Vice President of India? And M. Venkaiah Naidu is the Vice President of India. See, this is the picture of M. Venkaiah Naidu. Who gave the title of Bapu to Gandhiji? And it is the story during the War of Independence. That time Subhash Chandra Bose gave him the title of Bapu because he was acting as a guardian to all the freedom fighters, and his slogan was non-violence. Without any violence, he had to take the freedom from the Britishers, and that's why Subhash Chandra Bose gave him the title of Bapu that time only. See the picture of Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was also a freedom fighter who led a big team, a big group called Indian National Army. Which planet is closest to the Earth? And Venus is the closest planet to the Earth. It is also known as green planet, a blue planet. See the picture of the Venus. This planet is the most closer planet to the Earth, and it looks blue in color. That's why it is also called as the blue planet. Thank you, my dear, for watching this video, and hope you all will like this video, go through these videos, and whatever problem you will face, all the answers you will get in these videos. So be safe, obey your elders, keep on your studies, so that whenever we will meet together, you all will be with your good health and good base. Thank you, dear.